In Lebanon, mainly, there's more than 40% of households in rural areas that are still not connected to any sewage networks. Untreated wastewater can cause diseases and outbreaks like cholera, for example, that happened recently. Given that more than 90% of wastewater is still going untreated, this wastewater is also affecting agricultural practices and is affecting the most vulnerable in Lebanon.
We began preparing policy papers because we saw a real need in Lebanon in key areas, especially in the environmental sustainability sector, to make better use of our resources.
Our work mainly focuses on developing solutions that target these areas, while also recovering the sludge as a source of potentially revenues to cover the operational expenses. Farmers are currently using contaminated water resources for irrigation practices, which is not only affecting their yield in terms of quantities, but also affecting the quality of the crops, the fruits, and the vegetables that they put on the market.
What this paper suggests is a different approach: decentralized wastewater treatment systems. These systems are smaller, more affordable, and easier to maintain. The recommendations are based on research, local expertise, and focus groups with stakeholders to enable the relevance of the information and the feasibility.
Today, more than ever, there is a high need for collaboration between donors, between development agencies, private sector, and government agencies to really develop holistic projects to allow the authorities to continue and sustain these operations on the longer term.
Under the program From Innovation to Creation, this project was managed by Spark, implemented by CWAS, and funded by the European Union. Preserving our water is everyone's responsibility. Make wise decisions.